Mira, what do you got going?
I'm beautifying the Bronco, giving it a little bit of a European flair.
European flair? That looks like a wheel out of a van. Like an 80s van.
A fantasy van? It's a fantasy Bronco. It's fitting. I couldn't get one for a drift car. A Grant steering wheel is much more fitting.
You didn't want to put a Nardi in here?
Well, I would, but I'm not a drifter. I guess I'm more like a fantasy van girl. That's a good looking wheel. Oh, I got my screw in the wrong hole. Personal problem?
Nah.
How do I get it out? I need tweezers. Okay.
Tweezers? I need tweezers.
You need to put some sort of disclaimer. This is not a customer car work.
That is not how it goes.
Well, I know, but that was like, I'm putting it there like a set screw, because now I know exactly what to do.
Because that screw goes
I don't know.
for the horn.
I'm a professional.
Mira,
Yes.
have you been lifting weights?
Yes, I have. I like Jack Diesel.
A little bit.
I have to if I'm driving a big old truck like this.
Big old truck.
Big old truck. Wait till I do the basket weave. Maiden voyage. You gotta say it that way because it seems fancy.
This is that fancy?
Yeah, if it was still blown out, I'd be like, maiden voyage. Different.
To say what?
Maiden voyage. It's different.
If anyone has an 83 to 88 Ranger or Bronco 2, we need this trim piece that goes underneath the grill but above the bumper. It's something that I can't buy aftermarket, and I feel like I see these things on the side of the road all the time. What? Why isn't it nice?
Well, because you're instilling that it could be dead or discarded. Maybe someone has an extra piece. And
Yeah.
I would love if you would share it with me.
Yeah, if there's an old piece of shit laying in behind your trailer, please let us know because we need it.
Hey, what's for dinner?
What the old lady cooked me tonight?
Oh, God dang, oh my God.
What you up to?
Basket weaving. Still. Looks fresh, doesn't it? I know. What else would I be doing at 10:30 at night?
It's 11:15.
11:45.
All right, you continue.
You gotta pay to play.
You're burning the midnight oil.
I sure am. Burning out my hands weaving this basket as well.
What time is it?
Way past my
Oh my
bedtime. Yeah, I don't think I've been up this late. I don't even know how long ago. Maybe the last time I sang it, hung out at Steph's, sang some karaoke.
What were you singing? Alanis Morissette.
Here's the thing, I couldn't even tell you at this point. Probably wasn't good.
Is around you, or to list you, or to the medicine, love my head.
Did I sounded
Is
better.
around you. That's what you were singing.
I definitely sounded better than that. I mean,
I don't know the words, but it sounded
clearly
like that.
I did though. I don't know.
You know what we get to do when we get home?
Sleep?
No, pull all that crap out of the back of the truck. We'll just put it in the garage.
I'm just gonna leave this because I don't know how to heal the knot and my hands are killing me, so that's what.
Well, why don't you finish it off?
because I need a higher ladder.
What you think?
I don't have any words. I'm so excited.
So other than a couple little things like marker lights, pretty good.
And it's noise.
And what?
And it's noise. Who cares? This is amazing.
AC works. Just blasting mud puddles?
That is off-roading for this thing.
What, that puddle?
Yeah, that's off-roading for this.
Gonna be pretty excited. She's getting some new KYBs on the old Bronco. This will probably help with how crappy it rides down the road. Actually, it doesn't ride that bad. It just really, these things are whooped. They're probably, well, they're definitely from 1990. They're original. So Mara is looking at new cars, and she thinks that she wants to get a Karma. We just drove it. It's pretty awesome. This one's dirty because it was just raining, but it's a pretty awesome car. It's pretty much the one she built, like the same car online as far as like color options and stuff like that. And I don't know, we came here and they happen to have our friend Val owns the Karma dealership here in Albany, and they had the exact same color combo that she basically built online. So she's real excited. So we're still not 100% sure, but we're taking it home tonight to check it out.